Hyperfire Elite. I have been told this is the fastest firing Nerf gun. Alright, that's useless. Alright. Okay, right off the bat we got the drum. That looks sick as hell. I love it. Got your darts.
How many are for the drum?
25 for the drum. Also got about 150 more, so I know I'm gonna cook through them. And this just slides right out, not tied down with anything. I gotta say, this looks absolutely sweet. I've heard people complain about the thumb grip, but I don't know, I got giant ham hands and I think it feels pretty good. All right, got my D batteries here. Gonna crack this bad boy open and plug them into it.
How many does it take?
Takes 4 D batteries. All right, batteries are in it. It's got some good healthy weight to it. Feels good. Drum slides right in.
Dude,
Flywheel
we got
spins.
The Hyperfire.
And 25 rounds gone in about 10 seconds. I love it. Well,
So all in all, would you rate this 1 being the worst or 5 being the best in stars for Nerf guns?
about a 4. Coming with 25 round drum, shoots fast. Don't know how it shoots over a distance, but we'll find that out later.
Yeah, just to let everyone on YouTube know, our ratings are our opinions of the guns. You might not like it.
Any complaints?
No, none so far.
All right.
Critical Hitman with the Nerf Raiders.
Out.
Night.